it's Amanda, and I'm coming to you with an Atlas Stationers unboxing. See? What does the card say? Just Peachy Hobonichi 2026. It's not Hobonichi, but that's what the little card says on the back. We have Edgar Allan Poe, A Dream Within a Dream. It's Waringal. I want to say it was Sky-Dye ink on Instagram. I think she was using this ink, and I was like, oh my god, that's so pretty. And I love Edgar Allan Poe. I do not have time to swatch this today, but we will be seeing it in a 30 inks. And then I have Bungubox and Esterbrook. We have the Kingfisher blotting papers. I didn't need these, but you can't go wrong with blotting papers, so I just decided to get them. And then we have the Kingfisher pen. Oh my god. I wasn't originally going to get this, but then I saw it and I was like, it's stunning. I love that mine is mostly blue. I mean, a lot of them are. I think they're all mostly blue, but let's go ahead and take a look. Oh my gosh, that's even prettier out of the plastic. It comes with an ink cartridge, and this is like the little warranty information. Oh, there's something else in there. Oh. Since ancient times, the Japanese language has had many beautiful words for capturing the beauty of nature. One of them is Kachofugetsu, literally flower, bird, wind, and moon. Among all the beautiful birds in existence, the kingfisher is a tiny bird with beautiful greenish blue back, orange belly, and long beak, also called the jewel by the water. It is worthy of the symbol of bird in Kachofugetsu. This fountain pen is the encapsulation of the Kachofugetsu bird. The beautiful diamond cast barrel with its green, blue, and orange marble colors is inspired by this very kingfisher, a migratory bird that comes to Japan every year from spring to summer and then leaves in autumn. 2 fluttering kingfishers are printed on the converter, which is hidden inside the barrel. We offer you this beautiful, vivid bird that will never fade away. So this is the summer 2025 Bungubox Esterbrook. I wish I'd gotten the pink one that they came out with last year, but I didn't. I'm sad about it, but this is so, oh my god, this is so beautiful. It has a symbol for bird on the nib, engraved on the nib, and I got a broad nib, I think. Oh no, I got a medium nib. Gorgeous. Let's take a look at the inside. Here's the converter. It feels like they are painted on the outside of the converter, so I would still be upset. I would think that they might wear off. So I hope that doesn't happen. But here they are on the converter. Now, if I were a better YouTuber, a better, more prepared person, I would have found the sample that I think I still have of Van Diemen's Azure Kingfisher, but I'm not, because I feel like I also used it. I feel like I've used it. So, the ink that I'm going to ink this with, because I can't have every pen inked with Color Iroshizuku, is we're going to use Pilot Iroshizuku Ku-jaku. I haven't used this ink in a while, and it's really pretty. And it's one that a lot of people have or can get fairly easily. So, if I can open it. Okay, we can open it. So we're going to go ahead and ink it with that and do a writing sample. It's a pretty full fill, and that's what it looks like with the birds on it. It's not on focus, I'm sorry. very cute. Put this away so I can clean up my mess. We're just gonna do the writing sample on this page right here. I left my weeks at work. I came home at lunch. I love the orange and I love the blue. This seems like a Casey pen. Like if Casey were gonna buy an Esterbrook Estie, I feel like this is one she would get. I love the black. This also screams, well, sharks don't have orange as an accent color anymore, but this is also a very sharksy pen if you're a fan of hockey. My hands are disgusting. Why do they look like that? Probably because I got ink all over them. Yeah. Oh, I have ink on the nib. I don't like that. Okay. Let's do a writing sample. This is the Esterbrook and Bungubox Kingfisher. We have a medium nib. This is just a plain medium nib. There's no specialty nibs on it or anything. It's a very smooth writing nib. No scratching. You can hear writing, so there's like writing feedback, but it's not like scratchy feedback. It's not like sailor feedback. It's just a really nice writing experience. The ink is Pilot Iroshizuku Ku-jaku. And it's very pretty. Overall, a very lovely experience. I think the pen is gorgeous. It writes lovely. It is the classic Esterbrook Estie shape, so it is the cigar shape, which I know is a deal breaker for some. I happen to really like the Estie. It fits really nicely in my hand. I also prefer like flat tops, but yeah, I don't know. I really like the Estie. So I love the Esterbrook X Bungubox logo. Goes all the way around. It's just a really nice, smooth pen. They did a great job on the finishing. I'm typically not a gold girly, but I do like the gold accents with the colors. This is one of the few combos that I like with gold. But yeah. Overall, I'm super pleased, and these colors look great together. So yeah, there you go. There's our Bungubox, or our Esterbrook and Bungubox Kingfisher pen. Let me know what you think in the comments. Did you get one? Are you planning on getting one? Do you think it's crazy? It's kind of crazy. Have you used Pilot Iroshizuku Ku-jaku? Is it on your wish list? What ink would you put in this pen? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you again with another video very soon. Yeah, that's all I got. Thank you so much. Take care. Love you. Bye.